Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can edit text in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. Now, firstly, what you want to do to start editing text is to actually add some text into your video. As you can see, I have sort of a blank slate here since this is a previous video that I've done. Let me just mute it so that I don't accidentally play some audio and cause a stir up in the audio. But yeah, once you have your video, first you need to enter some text, and if you're on the cut page, you can go into titles, or if you're in edit, you can go into effects and then go into the toolbox, click on titles, and here you'll be. Now, I do recommend you go into edit and go to titles through the toolbox since you have a much wider variety, but I'll just enter a basic title and drag it on top of my video, or rather above it. Now, what I'm going to do is set it up so that it actually lasts for a certain amount of time in my video. And now, as you can see, there is nothing appearing. Why? Because the text is white. Now, what you want to do to actually edit the text first is select the text here in this timeline, then go to the inspector, and then under video you'll have title, and here you can edit your text. Under color, I'll just change it to black so that it's visible on the white background, and from here you can change whatever you want. You can change the font family, you can change the font face, you can change the size, you can change the text, and I'll just change it to something like test. And you can do a lot of different things. As you can see, there is a lot of different options. There's even more options than in some text editors that I know of, so it is really useful. You can use a lot of different tools to make your text look however you want, and that is pretty much what you need to do to edit text. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.